Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkoya and I'm also known as Ndinaija. Ja. Y'all, we're back with another budgeting video, and it's time to budget for September. Y'all, August 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 has been quite a month. August has been quite a month. We had entanglements. Was that this month? No, that was last month. Anywho, we had entanglements. We had so many things. So yeah, how has your month of August gone so far? I'm making things a little easier for myself today and just moving forward by pre-inputting some of the items. So my tithe and mortgage I typically do not share on my channel. Utilities, y'all. Utilities are going up this month, and that is because it's hot in Texas. It is hot. I believe it was 105, and the heat index was about 111, or thereabout, something like that. So, that's where we are for that. Cell phone remains, well, the cell phone came down a little bit, so we're at 125. Subscriptions went up a tad to $90. Insurance remains the same at 178. Kiddos insurance remains the same as well, 175. Taekwondo, I paid for September in August, so that threw the budget off a little bit. And right now I'm estimating swimming to be $60. And then we come to therapy and the likes. From account number 1, it'll be the same thing at about $100. Account number 2, I'm estimating about $600. Can't talk about that. But, okay. Amazon credit card, which I've been using and paying off, not as quickly though. That is going to be $150 this month. Car note is going to be the usual $350. The credit card is going to be $150. I'm estimating Amazon purchases to be about $100. Now, because of school starting, you'll see when I do my August budget review or budget check-in. Is it a check-in? Is it a review? Whatever. When you see my closeout of the budget, you'll see that we spent a lot more. Okay. Variable expenses are going to be the same as usual. That's $11.50. Sinking funds this month, we have to come back down, y'all, because trying to do $600 last month, it's weird what $100 would do, right? Yeah. Every dollar counts. Every $100 counts. Every $50 counts. So there. Bill savings, I'm not sure that I'll be able to do that this month. I had to dig in to savings. September. I'm not sure that I'll be able to do this in September because this month I had to dig into savings to do some of the things I needed to do, like some of the school supplies. I had to buy TJ a computer, and then just so much stuff. So that, sadly, is going to remain blank. There's no need to write 0, right? We can just leave it blank. Yeah, we'll just leave that blank, and then we will go to the next page of the budget. So we know that the total is $11.50. By my calculations, using last month's numbers, eating out I budgeted $150, or I typically budget $150. Groceries and household. Well, we'll see how much it was this month because, man, with with everybody being at home, especially in the US, and the kiddo is home, not in school, all the food is being eaten, the snacks and everything. I'm like, yo, this is hard. And then with the resumption of activities, gas is still going to be at 200. I believe last month I was thinking I could bring it down to like 150 because for the past 3 months I've been using less than 150 for gas. Let me do a quick look at July. Okay, shows that I was about 181. So we'll leave that there. Health and hygiene. How much was it last month? Last month I budgeted 50. We went over budget for that. I'm going to budget $50 as well. And that should bring me to $11.50. What did I do? 150, 700, 250, 1100. So I have $50 miscellaneous. If I need to buy any, that brings me to, oh no, this needs to be more because we have a doctor's appointment next week. Whoops. I forgot this pen does not write so great on that. So let's do the calculation again. 150 plus 700 plus 200 plus 100. How did that happen? 150 plus 700 plus 200 plus 100. Okay. That's why. But based on, I'm going to leave this as miscellaneous because I want to see what could happen, and if I do spend out of something outside of these categories, it'll come out of savings anyway, so that's where this will be budgeted from. Okay. Next page is typically my sinking funds. I usually do that when I do my cash envelopes, so we will leave that for later in the year. Okay. Next item is debt and savings. I'm already very sad for that because I'll write it in. For savings, currently the budget is 0, like I said. For debt, the car, like we talked about in the initial, is $350. The credit card is $150. Amazon is $150. I need to be putting these totals here because I want to see for myself and understand what is going on. And part of the reason I like to do this and actually write things in pen, bringing the numbers into my conscious and into my memory, as opposed to like doing it on Excel or just, I don't know, automating everything. I mean, most of my payments are automated, or some of my payments are automated, but this process for me of writing everything down and having to think about it reinforces in my brain when I'm spending money, is this really worth it? Because this could change my budget, or this could change my budget results. This could change my budget closeout. I'm cognizant of that. Yes, even when I go over budget, at the grocery store, I don't do weekly budgeting or anything, but usually around the mid-month, I try to do that. Now, I didn't do any last month. I didn't do a mid-month budget this month, the month of August. However, you know, things have happened. I haven't been as consistent in my videos because life has happened. TJ went back to school, and yeah. So that's it. 350 plus 150 plus 150, 650. And that is it. I forgot to set up this page. There is no setting up that's going to be had. I will just record it as it comes in. Online income, and it'll just be source and amount, and that's that. And that, my friends, is what my September budget will look like. We've made it simple. Let's take this stuff out. Zoom you all out a smidge. Yeah. So it is simple, and because life is very complicated right now. Life is very, very complicated with everything that's going on. My sister's birthday is the 10th. I need to figure out whether I'm going to post some stuff for her birthday. And that is an extra expense, which will either come from miscellaneous or my gifts sinking fund. We will look into that. So 9, 10. And then I have Planner Babe's birthdays in my Live Rich planner. So my goals for this month, I need to do something about eating out and reducing my eating out. The problem with just being at home is you get tired. Yes, you get very tired of sitting in the house, and sometimes you just want something that you didn't cook, that you didn't make, and you want something quick and just something different. So I don't know if it's realistic though, because I know definitely for the month of August I was over budget. For the month of July, I think we were over budget as well. Yeah, I was over budget for July. Was I over budget for June? I was under budget for June. Anyway, we will leave that. And the word for the month is just push. Yes. Last month, my phrase was, I keep saying last month. Where is that? Where I said hope is not a strategy. Was that in July? Wow. That was in July. Okay. That was in July. And then all the goals and everything. August was just quite a wash. It was quite a wash. But for this month, we need to push. I need to figure out postage for my sister's gift. And all the things that we're going to send. And items to be sent. And that is why we have a miscellaneous budget. Okay, so basic budget is set. Account number 1, budget and actual. Account number 2, budget and actual. Variable expenses, sinking funds, that's a separate video. And debt repayment and saving. I'm crying. But that's it, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment down below about how you're going about your budget these days if you have kids at home and they're eating everything and anything. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.